This is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to get that clock to be a little bit bigger on your Android phone. So you can see in the top left. So we can just go down from the top right, go to Settings, scroll all the way down to About Phone. Tap this, and we're looking for build number under here. Under Samsung phones, it's on software information, build number. Tap this 7 times. Developer options are unlocked. Go to search. You can see they're unlocked right here. Your other Google Pixel, Motorola should be under system now for developer options, but let's just type in width. WIDTH, width. Developer options, minimum width. This will scroll right to it now. We don't have to guess where it is. And we can adjust the minimum width now. We can make this smaller to make it larger. So let's type in 200. It should give me the minimum that I can adjust it to. You can see it adjusted the screen size a little bit. Some of your phones might make it seem a little bit bigger. So we can try adjusting this again. So let's try like 420. You can see everything's going to be so much smaller. See, it's a little bit smaller. Now the best way to just see the clock a little bit bigger would probably be to just add a widget. So we can add a widget here. Just go to the home screen, hold down on it. Go to widgets. Then we should be able to find a clock under here. So you can see my birthday, app timer, camera. Here's a clock option. We can just go to one of these clocks. So this one has alarm clock on it. Let's go to this one. Tap it and go to add. Here we go. And we can just move this to the home screen here. So we can select the alarm. Apparently this one is for an alarm. So if it's not showing it, we can go to the settings for it. Or remove it and try a different one. So let's just remove this one since it's not showing the clock. And then just do it one more time. Here's the widgets, clocks. And let's try a bigger one this time, I guess. Add it. So yeah, you should be able to just drag this now wherever you want it. For some reason, it's not showing the clock on mine. It's just showing the alarm. So it says create stack, settings. But go through there and just see if you can add a widget with the clock on there. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out.